Hello guys, my name is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you how to use the panoramic sunroof in your Hyundai. So let's start. Specifically, I am in a 2024 Hyundai Tucson with panoramic sunroof, as you see. So to open the curtain, just make a soft touch, and as you see, all the curtain opens. If you want to close the curtain, just a soft touch and the curtain opens. Let me show you this. I am going to open the curtain and stop in a certain position. So just make a soft touch, and then if you want to stop in a certain position, just do this, and as you see, the curtain not opened everything, just a little bit. Let me do by another way. So do this and then do this, and as you see, I stop it in a specific position, the curtain. Now let me show you how to open the panoramic sunroof. To do this, just make a long touch, and as you notice it, the whole panoramic sunroof opens. To close it, just make a soft touch, and the panoramic sunroof and the curtain closes. Now let me show you the pivot option. I am going to open the curtain to show it how it looks. To do the pivot option, just press the button, and as you notice it, the panoramic sunroof opens as you see in the pivot option. To close the pivot option, just do this, and that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.